Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm here with this chocolate. It's from a brand known as Lindt, and it's an excellence 99% cocoa. So it doesn't contain too much of sweets, nothing. It has only cocoa, that is 99%, and it's an ultimate dark, intense dark chocolate. The pack size is 50 gram, it's mentioned over here, and it's they have mentioned the ingredient as per 100 gram, but the chocolate is 50 grams, so they should say as per 50, I believe. And it's a product of Switzerland but manufactured in France. So let's not waste much time and open it. I must tell you, these days keto diet is very much famous, so people who wants to eat something related to chocolates, they could go for 90% and above. So these kinds of chocolates are very good for them. They can have this. As you can see, this packaging is very nice and interesting, man. See the amazing box, wow. And they have mentioned from where they have imported the ingredients for making this. Everything is mentioned in this pack, and I like this pack size. So here comes the chocolate, very thin, very nice, interesting, and the brand is written over here. That's very nice. Frankly saying, guys, I like this chocolate a lot. So let's not waste much time and take a bite. Very nice. It's very dark, very nice, interesting. It's not sweet, nothing is there. It's like the taste of proper cocoa is coming, and little bit bitter, you could say, but whosoever likes the taste of cocoa, coffees and all, so they love it. I just love it, friends. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos, and keep on watching. Bye bye.